Hi guys, morning. Welcome back to another video on my channel, The Equity Trader. Today is 28th of January and I have, and as you can see, the market is slightly on the positive side because it's been falling rapidly. So I think this could be one of the retrace right before the budgets. So I have just taken up a trade on one of my favorite setups. However, it's a little bit risky. I'll tell you what the caveat here is. So the script is BSOFT. I usually love trading apps. The funda is very simple. It gave a rejection in the first minute candle from yesterday's high, and then kind of formed a support and then gave another breakdown. So this is my entry trigger. It went on in my favor, but now it's going towards my stop loss. I have already trailed my stop loss to 454 levels because for two reasons. One is that the entire market is positive, so I'm kind of trading against the trend, and Nifty is not showing any signs of gap filling as of now. So that is one reason. The other reason is, even if you look at BSOFT chart, so this is a BSOFT is a support turn resistance case. So if you see, this was the previous resistance. It's opened up, gap up right at the support level. So again, this will kind of give strength. So if you see, even today at the low of this box, it is given some kind of a recovery. So the chances that it may go up on the other side is extremely high. It's already kind of formed a double bottom pattern on 1 minute time frame. So I don't want to give this trade my full stop loss now because it's shown some kind of a reversal. It's created a new swing. So if it has to go down further, I would let it fall from here, else it will take my stop loss. I'll update you if I take up any other trade. Hi guys, so BSOFT has reached a very important level. If you see, this is exactly where the trade took support in the price took support in the 5 minute time frame, and finally it's taken a rejection. If there's also a 10 EMA support, if you see, the profits are very marginal as of now, but if it does manage to give a close below this support as well as below the 10 EMA, I will be more convinced about this trade. And if you look at it on a 3 minute time frame also, there is a 20 EMA support. I'll update you whatever happens. So guys, I've trailed my stop loss to 452.50. Again, the reason behind this is that the whole IT sector is fairly positive. All the IT stocks are performing really well, and BSOFT is constantly taking support from its 10 moving average. So I don't want to give it too much room. If it has to perform, it will most likely give a breakdown right here and move towards a target. And if it keeps on taking support, eventually there will be all the stop losses in this particular region that will be taken out, and it will go for a higher up rally. So let's see what happens. Hi guys, so I have taken up another trade. This one is on BATAINDIA. So the reason behind this trade, if you can see, is this formation of this N pattern. If you see, look carefully, it's purely a momentum play. It has been going up since the morning, some kind of a consolidation, and then it gave a sharp reversal here close to the 10 EMA and closed above the day high. So it's again a 1:1.5 risk to reward ratio trade. So, and it's already given a little bit of momentum. I'll update you what happens. So guys, I forgot to analyze it on the higher time frame while taking up the trade because I was analyzing a lot of stocks. So one thing which I noticed on 15-minute time frame is that there is some kind of a resistance zone in this region. So what I'm going to do is, if it does show a sharp reversal from here, I'm not going to wait for my stop loss. I'm just going to take the exit, and if it does clear it, then I'm going to hold on to my trade. Since I'm already in it, I don't want to back out of this trade now. So guys, like you can see, it's taking rejection from the exact level. So what I'm planning to do from here is I'm going to keep I'm not putting a hard stop loss, but I'm going to keep and watch on this particular stock, and if it moves anywhere below, if it gives a closing below the 10 EMA on 5-minute time frame, I'm going to take a manual exit. Until then, I'm going to let this run. Moving on to BSOFT. BSOFT has also given me some kind of a momentum. It has finally broken down of all the supports, but now, this is the last particular level now, which is going to act as a hurdle. If it goes down below this, it is 80% likely to hit my target. Right now, if you look at the profits, it's running in the tune of about 300 rupees. So guys, as you can see, BSOFT is refusing to give up. It created a new low, touched the day's low, but now is back to above its support level. So I'm thinking, because if it goes upside, then there'll be a huge number of stop losses, since it has been confusing buyers and sellers both at the moment. So if it does give me a closing above this particular zone, 450 levels, a solid closing, I'm going to exit it manually. I'm not placing a stop loss order because sometimes it can give a spike up and rejection. So I'm just going to wait for a 5-minute candle to close. My stop loss is placed at 452.50. If it does hit it naturally, I'll let it hit. So I'll update you. Bata India, on the other hand, is showed a good amount of rejection, and then it went up again. So it's looking good at the moment. I'm thinking of trailing my stop loss this to cost, because if you look at it, it's already taken 10 EMA support, and again it is forming a double top pattern. Like if it takes a rejection here again and comes down, there's a high chance it can take a trend reversal or double top pattern. If it has to continue, it will most likely breach the day high in this particular time only. So I'm going to update you. Hi guys, so quick update on my trades. BSOFT I have exited. As you can see here, it was showing some kind of a reversal pattern. So been in this trade for too long. I did not want to spend more time watching this out, because it looks mostly the case of a sideways trade. If you look into a bigger time frame, then also you see rejection, support from the moving averages, and it's going on a higher direction, from two back-to-back engulfing candles. Now moving on to Bata is looking a little worrying on the bigger time frame, because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 back-to-back green candles and proper engulfing candles, and now it has made a inverted hammer, sorry, and and right now it is taking support from this particular zone that was the previous high. So I'm wondering if I should lock in my profits for today and move out of the trade, or keep it here and give the trade a chance to breathe and breach the all-time high. So right now, if you see, it barely missed the target by 4 points. So I'll update you. Let me see. So guys, I've trailed the stop. So guys, on Bata India, I have trailed the stop loss to 2076. The reason is very simple. For me, it looks like a proper reversal. So if the reversal fails, then it's going to go and come crashing down, at least till the cost. I don't want to be in that trade for that long. So if it does give a break, or this time, it's most likely going to hit my target, which is at 2093.90, by the way. So I'm just going to wait and see, and I'm going to update you. So guys, Bata India is giving rejection from the same high, which is about 2089-2090. So I'm just going to wait and watch. If it does form a full bullish candle and gives me the target in one go, I'm going to stick to this target. But in case it does plan to give me a retrace and then take a bounce back again, I'm going to follow a trailing stop loss strategy, since I have waited for the target patiently. I don't want to, miss out on the opportunity of being able to capture a few more points, because now it has formed a good consolidation here. It's moving very steadily. So chances are it may keep on doing higher high and higher lows. So I'm going to just stick to 10 EMA for trailing my stop losses. Otherwise, at the moment, this is my stop loss, and I'll see. Also, guys, look at BSOFT, how it gave a proper reversal. Like I said, the consolidation period has been too long. Whenever it gives a breakout on either side, it's going to be given explosive momentum, which it did. So it was to my advantage to cut my losses down to just 46. Otherwise, I may have ended up paying a full price. Hello guys, so final update for today. Bata India has hit my stop loss and the trailing stop loss, and is now kind of taking support from that exact region. And in terms of the profit for today, Bata India closed at 162.5 and BSOFT closed at minus 46. So I made a nominal profit, which actually will go away mostly in brokerages, of 116 rupees. And coming back to my weekly review for this week, so I took 12 trades overall, out of which 3 trades hit my target level, and which is again an accuracy of 25%, which is same as last week. So this is something which definitely needs to be worked at. Out of which 2 were partial targets, which was Delta Corp and Bata India today. Delta Corp, like you all know, was a little bit unlucky, and I hit 7 SLs. So stop loss, I don't really count in partial and full stop losses, because a loss is a loss at the end of the day. So any trade which has ended below 0 is a stop loss for me. So yeah, overall I took 12 trades, out of which I did manage to earn close to INR 1300 profit. Again, this is excluding brokerages. Once I play with a bigger account, if I do one eventually, I'll show you the proper PNL with my brokerages, so that you get a real idea of how trading with at least a big enough account looks like. Right now, since the capital is not that big, I know that end up paying most of my profits if to cover up for brokerages for month. But at the end of the day, this will give you an idea of how even with a small capital you can at least work on increasing your trade accuracy and increase your risk management, money management skills. So yeah, so excluding brokerages, I made close to 1300 this week, out of which most of my profits did come from the option trade. So equity trades were mostly close to break even. I think it was in minor profits. So yeah, that is it for today, and if you will see you on Monday. And if you did like my video, please do like the video, and please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for notifications. I'll see you on Monday.